All right, we do have a few flakes flying in the FM area, and that is going to be the case as we go through the early overnight hours. Hey, skies are clearing out. The air is cold, but we still have some ice crystals drifting through the atmosphere, and the wind continues to be quite gusty. And look at the peak winds we saw today right here in the Red River Valley, where we do have the colors. Gusts were around 40 to 45 miles per hour. So windy for sure. Now, here's what you can expect as we glide into the next few days. Thanksgiving, by tomorrow, it's going to be brutal cold. In fact, the coldest air of the season, but late in the day, some clouds will build in after a quiet day of weather. The wind takes the vacation. It will not be hot, though. It's going to be chilly. By the time we get to Friday morning, we could have a round of snow for some areas. And by the time we get to late Friday, another batch of precipitation that could be, well, could bring some freezing rain or mixed precipitation into your Saturday morning, then turning back over to some snow for some. So we do have a couple of hiccups, and here's what it looks like. Cold core of air over us as we go into our Thanksgiving Day morning. Now that chilliest of the air dives south. South wind returns late, as do the clouds. And by Friday morning, there's that shot of snow. The best chance of it in our northern tier along and north of Highway 2. As we go through the rest of your Friday, it's quiet for a while. And then, boom, here we get another shot, this mixed precipitation here. The exact track and timing of this is not agreed on by all models, but it's certainly a chance for some slippery conditions on your Friday morning and Saturday morning as well. So we'll keep you posted as that, but for now, the wind speeds remain gustiest in the Southern Valley into Lakes Country, and the temperatures are chilliest in northeast North Dakota. Near zero in Langdon, it's 14 in Fergus Falls, and 13 in Fargo-Moorhead. Factor in the winds, and it feels like 0 to 20 below across our area. Fergus Falls, your wind chill now, where some of the winds are strongest, are around 10 below. Visibility is starting to improve now in that central North Dakota area where we did get more snow today. You can see the snow focus itself in the central Dakotas before really starting to wrap up. It's clearing nicely to the far north. Hour by hour forecast. The pink digits that you see here, wind chills, because that's going to be the factor overnight. Still enough wind in the early overnight hours and evening to have wind chills between 10 and 20 below. Look at these morning air temperatures. Briefly sub-zero air temperatures in places like Langdon, Walhalla, maybe even the Devil's Lake area, and single digits everywhere with wind chills 10 to 20 below zero, even with decreasing wind. The first part of the day tomorrow, pretty nice. Temperatures will rise from single digits back into those 20s for many of us. Teens east. Late day, south winds will start to increase. Nothing too strong, 15 miles per hour or so. And a chance for those clouds to yield a few Friday morning flakes for some up north. 7 first thing in the morning in Fargo. Temperatures warm into the low 20s on a sunny and quiet day. Clouds move in, and that will keep us from getting too cold in the evening. Steady temperatures tomorrow evening. Gorgeous shot here. Thanks so much to all of you for sharing your lovely photos. This of Little Detroit Lake. Now a look at your planning forecast. After a cold Thanksgiving, Friday brings mixed precipitation in the morning and particularly in the evening into Saturday. Then look at the warmth. Near 40 to 45 Saturday through Monday. And next week looks to be pretty quiet weather as well. None of these systems might look to be too challenging, but just use some caution out there. There'll be slippery spots.
Need to do that.
Yep.